Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove continue watching on Netflix using an iPhone. First, open the Netflix app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your current profile because continue watching is different for each profile. Once you are on the home screen, look for the row called continue watching. This row shows movies or shows you started but didn't finish. Now find the movie or TV show you want to remove. Under the title, tap the three dots in the bottom right corner of that shows movie or show. A small menu will pop up. Tap remove from continue watching, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.